Hello friends, welcome to my channel Trading Manthan. Today we will see what is the concept of supply and demand and if it is possible to detect a price whenever it enters in the demand zone. One of my subscriber was asking about the same, whether it is possible to scan all the stocks whenever the price is in the demand zone. I also trade demand zones many times in my trading, but it is very difficult to detect whenever the price is in demand zone. But I was able to crack the code, and we will see how the code is working and how the scanner is working to detect whenever the price is in weekly or monthly or in daily demand zones. First we will see what is the supply and demand zone concept or trading concept. For example, what is the demand zone? Whenever the small candle followed by a big green candle, it indicates a demand zone. So the small candles high and the small candles low, or this green candles low, is considered demand zone. And whenever the price comes back again in this demand zone, we will take a trade in this demand zone and we can keep a stop loss below this small candle. This is a concept of demand zone trading. And similarly, small green candle followed by a big red candle, and this zone of small candles high and small candles low is a supply zone. And whenever price comes back in this supply zone, we will take a short trade, keeping a stop loss above this green candle high. But mainly I trade demand zones only on the buy side. I don't short the market, and mainly we need a FNO to do this one. And also I don't do the intraday, so I am not coded this supply zone detection. Only buy side I have coded how to scan the all the 750 stocks, total market indices, and give us a Excel sheet where the price is in, whether it is in daily demand zone or it is in weekly or it is in a monthly demand zone. And also I have done a Pine script on this trading view. If you see, it will detect all the zones automatically with this Pine script. For example, I am opened the HBL Engineering Limited monthly demand zones. See here, the small candle followed by a big green candle, it acts as a demand zone. If you see the previous history also, whenever price comes to that demand zone, see here, this starting demand zone, price gone up and it came back again in the demand zone, and again it risen, and again it came back in April 2020 in the same demand zone. Again it blasted from that demand zone. If you see here also the same concept, and recently also it gone up and came back in this demand zone, and it gone up by nearly 30% in April month candle. So whenever I click weekly time frame, it will show me both weekly and monthly demand zones. So if you see W means it is a weekly demand zone, and M means the monthly demand zone. And if I click daily time frame, it will show all the three zones, like D means daily demand zone, W weekly, and M monthly demand zones. So this I was able to code it in the Pine script, but I have to go through manually all the list of my watch list here to see whether the price is in any of the three demand zones. Like I have to go all the stocks in the watch list, and I have to change monthly, weekly and daily, and I need to see whether the price is in any of the demand zones. But it takes a lot of time for me to do that, and I able to code it in a Python, and it will give a shortlisted stocks, whether based on this logic, same logic, but it will shortlist whether the price is currently in any of the demand zones, like daily, weekly or monthly demand zones. Let's see how the code works. This is the Python code which I coded, and if I click run this Python code, it will scan all the 750 stocks, and it will give a Excel sheet with all the filtered stocks where the price is in any of the demand zones. Wait for some, it will take 1 or 2 minutes to scan all the 750 stocks, and it will give us a Excel sheet with all the filtered stocks. It's still running, it is scanning all the stocks till 450 stocks it's scanned. Meanwhile, I will show you another stock, maybe how this Pine script is working. If I go to Asian Paints, if you see Asian Paints, see here, it is all the time the demand zone is worked properly. This is the demand zone created on 1st October 2012, and the price came in August 2013, testing the demand zone, and it gone up, the price is gone up. Same way here, it is detected a demand zone, price came inside the demand zone, and the price gone up. Again it created a demand zone here, price came back to this demand zone, and price is gone up again from that. And here also in July 2019, the demand zone is created, price came back in March, April, and price gone up again. So this is how this code is working for the detection of demand zones. Let's see if our code is completed. It's scanning still, another 100 stocks are remaining. It will save the Excel sheet in this folder only. It is completed. If you see stocks inside the demand zone, 169 stocks it filtered out of 750 stocks, and it gave us a Excel sheet with demand zone scanner as a name. Let's open this file. So if you see, it gave all the 3 detections. If it is inside daily demand zone, it will give true or false. If it is inside weekly demand zone, it will give us true or false. And also if it is price is inside the monthly demand zone, it will give true or false, and also it will give demand zone top end and demand zones bottom levels also. So let's see if the scanner is working properly as per the Pine script. So I will just check this monthly time frame, true for all the 3 demand zones. The price is inside daily also, weekly also, and the monthly demand zones. Let's open this chart. So if you see, it detected properly, the price is in monthly demand zone. If I click weekly time frame, so if you see, the price is in both weekly and monthly time frames. And if I click daily, you see it is in all the 3 demand zones, with monthly, weekly and daily. Let's check another stock. Randomly we'll check another stock. Let's see Renuka Sugars. It is just true in monthly. If you see the small red candle and the green blast candle, and the current price is in monthly demand zone. So the code is working properly, and we are able to get the Excel sheet with all the demand zones. So if you like this code, and if you want this code, please contact me on Telegram. I may charge a little bit of price for this code. If you like this video, please like the video, comment if you have any doubts in the comment section, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, friends.